Hello, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. Today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on and your display is lit up, which this currently is. And then through here, we're going to actually use our voice controls to connect. So in a moment, we're going to walk through voice commands.
Attempting to connect to your phone. Please wait.
So there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete or replace a phone before you can add a new one. And that said, it's just a matter of waiting for it to fail to try to connect to one that's already been connected.
No phone found. Would you like to add a phone now? After the beep, say add phone, replace phone, select phone, or no.
Add phone.
There are 5 phones stored in the system. Please say replace phone, delete phone, or help.
Replace phone.
Replace phone. Available phones are
17 Pro Max, iPhone, SD, Pathfinder,
and
Nissan.
please say the name of the phone you want to replace. Current name is
17 Pro Max,
17 Pro Max.
17 Pro Max,
Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes. Replacing
17 Pro Max,
add phone. The system is searching for your phone.
So
Using
Bluetooth
your
on.
handset, look for a Bluetooth device called My Car. When requested by the handset, enter the PIN 1234. For further instructions, refer to your phone's user manual.
So this might take a few minutes, sometimes it takes a few tries. You might have to restart the car or restart the phone a few times, but it came up right away. And as I'm sure you could hear it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Phone connected. Please say a name for the phone.
Clay's phone. Clay's phone.
Is this correct? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Clay's phone.
Saved.
Alright, so that's it. So now the phone's connected. You could, it'll try to auto-connect when you start the vehicle. You should be able to take phone calls, messages, things like that. You might be able to do music as well, and then newer models, typically you could also do like sync maps and things like that. And to check if yours is compatible for music as well, often you can check under the aux button or like a media button if that's there. So this aux, we'll just keep clicking through. It doesn't appear this one has Bluetooth music, but this would be kind of where you would see it under there. You can also double check through your settings, but typically your aux button or media buttons will take you to it if you've got it. But otherwise, you should be able to take calls, things like that. And if your model does have music, your Bluetooth music, and it's still not working for you, double check that the volume's on your particular phone device and it's playing, and then also that your volume's on your vehicle. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.